All right. More accounts receivable. New Innovation Corp uses the allowance method for bad debts. According to historical financial information, 4% of the company's sales have been uncollectible. This sounds like a percentage of sales method to me. They had credit sales at year end of $750,000. They had credit balances and allowance for uncollectibles at the beginning of the year, $24,000, and they wrote off $5,500 in a year. So after adjustments have been made for bad debt expense for the end of the year, the allowance for uncollectibles would be what? So we're always going to start with our beginning balance, and we are going to use some of this information to determine our ending balance. So this is what we're going to be looking for. They're asking for the allowance for uncollectible accounts at the end of the period. So we're starting with our beginning balance, which is $24,000. And then what is in between? So we need to add our current year bad debt. So this is going to be our current year bad debt expense. So this is going to be increasing our allowance, increasing the amount that we are determining as our allowance for uncollectibles. So when we're applying the percentage of sales method, the bad debt expense is going to be calculated as the percentage of your gross sales. So our gross sales is $750,000. We estimate 4% is going to be uncollectible. Simple enough, $750,000 times 4%. That's going to be what? $30,000 that we're going to be adding. So we now need to subtract what are bad debt write-offs. Why are we subtracting these? So we're going to be subtracting our write-offs because this is going to be the amount of our allowance that we're basically giving up on, the amount that we're saying we're no longer trying to collect. So we know our bad debt write-offs are given, $5,500. We can now calculate our ending balance of $48,500. So very important that you guys read the question and understand what they're asking. They're asking for the ending balance here. If they ask for the bad debt expense for the current period, you would apply the percentage of sales method to calculate it. If they were asking for the write-offs, those would be given. So again, just kind of read through these questions. The majority of it is just simplistic formulas that you're just going to be plugging information into. So take a look at this formula, get a better understanding of it.